Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with TikTok not loading, you're not alone. Many users face this frustrating problem, but fear not. We have compiled a step-by-step guide to help you get TikTok up and running in no time. Follow these instant solutions and enjoy your favorite videos seamlessly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Run a speed test to determine if your internet speed is sufficient for streaming videos. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your smartphone or tablet completely. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and eliminate minor glitches. Step 3. Update the TikTok app. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or App Store for iOS. Search for TikTok and check if there is an update available. If there is, download and install the latest version to benefit from bug fixes and improvements. Step 4. Clear TikTok's cache. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS, unfortunately, there isn't a direct way to clear cache, so deleting the app and reinstalling it is recommended. Clearing the cache can resolve issues caused by corrupt data. Step 5. Reinstall TikTok. Uninstall the TikTok app from your device. Visit your App Store and search for TikTok. Download and install the app again. This can help reset any settings that may be causing issues. Step 6. Check for server issues. Sometimes TikTok might be down due to server maintenance or outages. Visit platforms like Down Detector to check if other users are reporting similar issues. If there's an outage, all you can do is wait until it's resolved. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disconnecting it. Some VPNs can interfere with the app's ability to connect to its servers. Step 8. Contact TikTok support. If the problem persists, reach out to TikTok support through their in-app feature or website. Provide them with detailed information about your issue to get tailored assistance. These steps should help in resolving the TikTok not loading issue effectively. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with a bit of troubleshooting, you can enjoy TikTok to its fullest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more helpful tips and solutions.